We'll guide you through how to make an app with Claude AI. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To make an app with Claude AI, first open your Google Chrome browser on your computer or laptop. Next, tap on the search bar located at the top of the browser window. Type Claude AI and press enter on your keyboard to search. When the results appear, choose the first official result for Claude.ai to open the website. Once the page loads, select the Continue with Google button to start the sign-in process. Choose the Google account you wish to link to your Claude profile. After selecting your account, scroll down through the account permissions displayed on the screen and click Continue. Wait for the login process to complete and allow the website to load the main dashboard. When prompted, tick the checkbox for the I agree option regarding the terms of service. Then click Continue to move past the initial setup agreement. On the plan selection page, select the Use Claude for Free plan to access the core AI features. If onboarding pop-ups or feature announcements appear, click Skip to close them. When an introductory window explaining AI limits appears, click I understand to proceed. Next, input your name into the profile field to personalize the interface. After typing your name, click the send icon, which looks like an up arrow, to finalize your account profile. Choose social media from the interest options and click Continue. Then select the coding and developing, learning and studying, and writing and content creation options to define your interests. Click Let's Go to enter the main chat and workspace area. Once you are inside the interface, select I have my own topic to open an empty conversation. Click on the prompt bar located at the bottom of the chat window to begin typing your request. Type a specific prompt such as, create a fully functional and interactive calculator app with a modern, friendly interface and smooth animations. After entering the prompt, click the send icon, shown as an up arrow, and wait for Claude to generate the app. When the generation finishes, your app will appear and be ready to use in the Interactive Artifacts window on the right window.